a unicorn.
Heidi.
Ah. Well, I think it's time to give this idea a go. Stand back.
Julian! Well, that's just marvelous, Arthur. Not bad.
I think we will.
Right. Arthur's been doing a bit of tinkering with the bike. Making some improvements, you might say. Let's get that through, but literally.
Careful, Hagrid. Your dragon's eye is for emergencies only.
No, kid! Let's get them back to this cave. Come on. My one! Salamanders, they feed on flames, you know. They do. I wasn't planning to show them to you today, though. Ow! Put me down! Don't! No! That! Oh, blimey, you've done it, Arthur. That dragon fire could not have been smoother. Well, apart from the, you know.
Yes, well, that's not quite how that's supposed to work. Everyone all right? Let's leave this to me.
Aquamenti! Oh, fine. No. Move it there. Oh, now don't you worry, guys. I'll see you all then.
Of course, none of this will happen when you actually ride the bikes. You need to stand in the stables. Might be safe to duplicate the bikes down there. More room. Then, you can ride them. That's better.